The first thing you should do is select the size of your sheet. Once in the designer, you can change the size of your sheet if needed. On the right side, you have options to upload an image, add text, and add art we provide. To the left side are some tools that can help you design your gang sheet, including select all layers, clear all layers, undo last action and redo last action. You can also zoom in and out. Now let's upload an image. Easily drag and drop your file or click Select File to browse for the file. Next, you will be prompted to select Remove White options. You can continue with your original image by selecting Keep Original. Select Remove White Background for a transparent background or remove all white from the design. You will see a preview of the changes made for the option selected. Now you will select a color profile from the two options we have, either full color or black and white, and click Finish. Once uploaded, you can resize your image. When you resize your image, you will see a blue box that will tell you the dimensions of your image. You can use the action buttons to flip the design horizontal, flip vertical, center horizontal, and center vertical. Also, have copy and paste buttons to duplicate the design multiple times. Now let's build our gang sheet. When creating your gang sheet layout, keep in mind that you will need to cut the gang sheet into individual transfers. You can select all the images on the sheet and hit the copy and paste buttons to duplicate multiple images. Once you're good with the images on your gang sheet, you can save the art for reorders. Go to My Saved Art, and you will see your gang sheet saved. Don't have a graphic and need some ideas? We offer design ideas that can help you get started. Once you pick a design, you can change the text, change the font, change the text color, control letter spacing, and add a text outline. Now, let's build a gang sheet with the design. You can copy and paste different elements from the design so you can have different imagery on your gang sheet. Now, let's make a gang sheet from clip art. Like design ideas, we have many different categories to pick from. Pick a design you want to use and resize it. The sheet looks good now. Let's save this sheet so we can go back to it later. Go to My Saved Art, and you will see your sheet saved. Thank you for taking the time to watch this instructional video. I hope you learned enough to get started.